Happy anniversary.
They are so beautiful. Oh, Arnold.
So what did you guys get each other?
Yeah, 31. What gift is that? Silver, ivory.
Oh, we got each other the new cable subscription.
Oh, great.
It's a lot of channels.
If you're wondering,
It feels like
Arnold and I aren't going towards anything anymore.
I want a real marriage again.
I think for that to happen, we would have to risk everything just to shake things up.
It's not impossible, and it's not too late.
You want to go to intensive couples counseling in Maine.
The flight leaves tomorrow. I'm gonna be on it.
I hope you're happy.
Kay and Arnold, I'm so glad you're here.
Well, that makes one of us.
You two have come here to try to restore intimacy to your marriage.
This is insane. We're not 22 years old anymore.
I would like to assign you your first exercise. Tonight, I would like you to spend a period of time with your arms around one another.
I think we better stop.
I'm going to ask you to take a leap of faith and try something.
I'm looking for sex tips for a straight woman from a gay man.
It's most likely way out of your comfort zone.
I'm just not. That's not me. I just can't do that.
You come up here, you spend 1 week, and you're supposed to have a new marriage.
Arnold, your wife is very unhappy, and you have to ask yourself, have I done all I could?
Trying to get the old magic back?
Join the club, honey.
Who in here is not having sex?
It's not too late for anyone who truly wants it and is willing to try.
I wonder if he talks to his wife like that. Mildred, I find it very interesting that you are naked.
But you gotta keep your head up.
We're doing so well, we might be able to get out of here early. Okay,
well-
next step. What is it? Write a poem, hold hands in public, sing a serenade.
It's sex.
We should just get our things and go.
Keep your head up. And you can let your head down. And keep your head up.
Arnold, did you have fantasies
The threesome.
with
Carol.
Carol with the corgis?
Hi! You got another corgi.
I know. But three's the limit.